Somebody's buying bolo. Somebody's buying bolo. I need your love today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no.
Hey lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. This is Omotola welcoming you back to our lovely space. So today's video has been sponsored by EZluxury, and they have sent me this YSL bag to unbox in the video today. Alright, so the bag comes with a number of freebies. This pouch came with a number of photos that you can put in individual frames and hang up around your house. The bag also comes with the original receipt as well as a certificate of authenticity. The bag also comes with the YSL ribbon, and this is how the bag comes, neatly wrapped. It comes with a customized St. Laurel dust bag as well to store your bag. And this is the bag itself. So EZluxury deal with one-to-one replicas, so they replicate bags from all kinds of designer brands, and that is what they do. This bag came so well made, nothing was out of place, everything was well crested, and I actually compared it online. It is exactly like the original. You guys rush over to their site. They have gifted my subscribers 5% discount on all purchases. I will leave a link to their website as well as the link to this bag as well in the description box. You guys go and purchase your own now. Grab your copy as it hot. You guys, let's get on with the rest of today's video. All right, so today's video we are doing a food haul, and I have gone to only 2 stores. However, you guys, I would like to crave your indulgence in today's video. As is my usual practice, I will not be able to put the prices of all of the things we got because I lost my receipt and I cannot simply remember everything we got in today's video. But please know that I do not spend up to £70 for the entire haul. As a matter of fact, I don't think I spent up to £50 for everything here, but these are just our daily essentials. These are things we buy from month to month, so you can sort of compare the prices from my previous food hauls to the one I'm showing you today. We got a couple of things, fridge items, some pantry items as well. So if you're new here, we are a family of 4 and I make videos like this from time to time. Please do want to subscribe for more. Alright you guys, so we are at home now and I'm just going to do a really quick mini food haul because this is just for the week. So I already have some things in the house, but I just stocked up on a few more things that we might need for the week. Because I don't know if you guys noticed, I have been doing only weekly shopping for now, and that's because the time to just go and do that bulk shopping is not, as I've not had it. So this is what we're doing for now. As usual, I'll be leaving the prices on the screen so you guys get to see how much we spent. So things that we got from Sainsbury and Aldi. All right. So first off, we got this pack of soft whites, and this is 16 rolls, and this is 2 plies. We got this one from Sainsbury. This is about £7 and change. Then we got the Rice Krispies and the multigrain hoops. This is from Aldi. So this is for their breakfast. So the boys are back into school as from Monday, and I'm happy. All right, so for after school snacks, they need some chips and crisps, as they call them here. So we have 3 different types here. So this one has about 3 different types in it, and then they have the onion rings and the cheese puffs. This is like the Nigerian cheese balls. Well, it doesn't taste the same, but at least it's the closest that I've found so far. And then we have the soft white bread. This is for their toast and things. We also picked up some pepperoni pizzas. This one is for today because they've been shouting pizza since morning. Also, we got a pack of drumsticks. This is to mix with the turkey that I still have at home. And then I picked up the 6 200 mils. This is the orange juice. I also picked this one up for myself. This is for my smoothie and things. Also, we got the instant hot chocolate drink. And then we have the hot dogs. This is 8-in-1. This one I'm probably going to mix with pasta and things. And they're also going to have this with noodles as well. So I have some eggs and I'm just going to mix this extra 6 with it for the week. I also picked up this crispy roast potatoes. This one's just going in the air fryer. And then you are done. You can fry some sauce with this. You can eat this with efforiro. You can also have this with eggs. So very versatile, very good, and it's about 95 pence, so it's really good. We're going to eat this twice or so. So I also picked up some sweet pointed peppers and some ginger. This one I'm going to be juicing, and we're going to be drinking the juice because the cold in this country is never ending. Also, I picked up this strawberry pencils. This is something we like to snack on. I usually take this along on Sundays, so we have this in the car on our way back from Middlesbrough. Also, we also got this milk chocolate digestives. This ones are, they're just what's it called now? So these ones are just to snack on during the week, and I might also be taking one along to church tomorrow for after church snacking. I also picked up some wonky brown onions, and this one's about 55 pence for the pack. And I got some white potatoes. This one is what we use in substitute for yams. So we roast this and we also boil it as well. And then I got some gala apples. These are very delicious apples. So if you're confused as to what brand or what type of apple to buy, this one is good. The pink delicious is also very good, but whenever I can't find the pink delicious, I get the gala apples. So I picked up 2 packs of that, and this should be enough for the week. Also, one of them, Asha needed a new pair of shoes. The boy has been growing like no man's business. He has been growing like a weed. So we picked up this this shoe. This is size 3. We picked this one up for him for Sainsbury. So hopefully this should be enough for 2 times. So hopefully this should last him for 2 times, because he seems to be changing his shoe every time now. So yes, I think that is everything we got. Thank you for spending the day with us. Thank you for running errands with us. I think I'm just going to go ahead and start preparing dinner. Before that, there is a huge pile of dishes that I have not attended to, because I'm human and because I get tired as well. Alright, so I'm just going to start with the pizzas, and we shall take it from there. Thank you so much for watching. I also have to blow dry my hair tonight because there's church tomorrow and the school runs just start. So I need to do something to this hair. So I just washed it. I just washed it last night, and then I have to blow dry and straighten it out so that it's a lot easier to manage. Alright, you guys, thank you for spending the day with us. I hope you enjoyed the vlog as much as I've enjoyed carrying you along. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Give this video a huge thumbs up. It does a lot to help my analytics and also get other people to see these videos. Alright, you guys, I'll see you in my next one. Mwah. Goodbye, guys.